I'm going to give you a great tapping exercise to help you go from overwhelmed to feeling like I can handle it. So stay tuned. I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert. I've been doing EFT since way back when with Gary Craig, when he used to dance to Elvis Presley at his live seminars. And I dance with him. He's pretty good. Overwhelm on a scale of 1 to 10. How high is it for you? I hope it's not a 10, but it could be. Mine sure has been plenty of times. Even though I feel overwhelmed, and just let yourself feel that, honey. I love and accept myself. I feel overwhelmed. I love and accept myself. Repeat after me, be my echo. I feel overwhelmed. I love and accept myself. Even though I'm overwhelmed, of course, we want to love and accept ourselves and not feel like a failure, right? I feel overwhelmed. There's too much going on. I can't handle all this. I am so overwhelmed. And just hold it there. You know, this is the fear and anxiety part. Take a deep breath in and out. Underneath the nose. Overwhelmed. 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 And none of the overwhelmed. Take a deep breath in and out. And just tune in to how overwhelmed you might feel. You might need to stop this video, rewind it, and take an assessment how overwhelmed you feel and do it a couple of times before we're ready to move into what? The positive choice. What would you rather feel instead of overwhelmed? Now stay to the end because I'm going to give you my little secret that makes EFT more fabulous. Okay? Yeah, I'm feeling overwhelmed. I choose to feel more hopeful. Still overwhelmed, I choose to feel more hopeful. See, just saying that, I choose to feel, doggone it, more hopeful. Now, here's what I want you to do. This is one of the things I teach in my forensic EFT training, which marries psychic awareness, spirituality, and EFT for the most amazing results. Use your authority voice. When you're doing the negative, you can be a weenie if you want to, but when you're making a positive choice, let the universe know what you are desiring, okay? I'm choosing to feel that I can handle it. See there? You feel yourself bossing yourself around. Your body's going to wake up and pay attention. Top of the head. I feel more competent. Beginning of the eyebrow. I'm choosing to feel more confident. Side of the eye. Choosing to feel confident. Underneath the eye. Choosing to feel confident. Underneath the nose. Choosing confidence. Now just give a big sigh of relief. I can handle this. Another just, oh yeah, collarbone. I can handle this. Under the armpit. I can handle this. And take a deep breath in and out. There we go. Feeling better? Okay, now you might need to do the positive a couple times too before we move into something that that I love to finish EFT with, and that is to become more lighthearted and even to exaggerate some things, okay? So, are you ready to play with me? That's what forensic EFT is all about. Not just deep spirituality, but permission to let your inner child come out. Okay, here we go. I choose to laugh at this situation. I choose to laugh. And I know you're saying, but you don't know what I've been through. Even though I've been through a lot, I choose to laugh. I choose to lift my spirits. Lift my spirits, cotton picking, right? Okay. I choose to lift my spirits. Lift my spirits. Lift my spirits. Lift my spirits. Yes, 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 yes. Feeling better, feeling better. Yes, 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 yes. And then I love to make silly sounds. This will make you laugh, and when you laugh, you lift your spirits. So if you want to just laugh at me, well, okay, I guess that's all right. But I recommend that you laugh with me while tapping, okay? We could call it laughter EFT. You know, there's laughter yoga. Yeah. Oh, wee doggy, make silly sounds. What do you want to say? Laugh. I laugh at this overwhelm. I'm laughing at this overwhelm, releasing the fear. Some of you are having a real fear of being seen. I'm very psychic. I don't care if you're watching or not. I can read your energy. Fear of being seen. Fear of being criticized. I laugh at those who would criticize me. Go ahead, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Now, I got to tell you something. You want to like and subscribe this video. You know why? Well, it's going to tell YouTube, hey, this person likes these kind of videos, and it's going to send you some more. Not only that, it's going to share it with other people who might be needing a little lift with EFT. So be a love. My hair's all crazy. Ah, right. And let yourself have fun. Let your inner child come out. And there you go. Much love, Rebecca Marina. There'll be a link below if you want to read more about forensic EFT and how you might want to learn that. You might want to advance your psychic abilities, and you might want to advance spiritually, and you might want to be the best cotton picking EFT practitioner on the planet.